Hello guys, this is Siddharth and welcome to my YouTube channel Siddharth Lecture. So guys, today we are going to discuss on the most important and most asking interview question. What is the reason of your changing company? Let's start. So guys, if you are an experienced person, so it's 101% recruiter will ask you this question. Why you resign in last company? The important thing is why the recruiter will ask you this question. Recruiter want to know the answer of this question because he on the basis of answer he will decide you, judge you, and he predict you will become a good asset for a company or not. So guys, as an employee, when you start a work in one organization, so it is a fixed one day you will resign. There are various reason can be like salary expansion or work culture, toxic environment. There is many reason. There is no only one reason. You can say there is a 15 to 16 reason is there, but you can't say directly to the new recruiter like, sir, I'm looking for opportunity for good compensation. No. As a employee or as a candidate, you are saying like that. So this is a negative impression you are giving to the recruiter. Recruiter will make your image like you are just hungry for the earning money. Okay, you are not hungry for to do the work. So it is very important to give your answer will be very politely, meaningful and genuine reason. It looks like a genuine. Okay, because what happened now, if you are completed your interview 80% good, but at the end of your interview recruiter will ask you this question, and if you just saying like I want a good salary, last company work culture is boring like that thing, so this is unsatisfied answer. Recruiter will judge you, and if you are good in skill set but still he will not select you. So this is a very powerful and important interview question, and you need to give the proper answer for it. So in this video I will give a 15 to 16 reasons. So you just decide which is good for you and just select, choose and give the answer in the interview session. That's it. Guys, all the reason I divided into the 5 part. One by one I will tell and explain it. First is a professional growth. What is the mean of professional growth? See guys, as a fresher or as a experienced team, you join one organization, but that organization gives some limited project, only one project, and just you are working as a Java developer or as a just a database developer, but you targeted in your mind after completed 2 year 3 year, I want to become a full stack developer or any skillful, or you want to become a skillful developer kind of things, and this is not done here. So how to say these things? So we can say I'm looking for a new opportunity and challenges. This is very important thing because challenges is a very important thing. If you want to become a good good developer or good employee, or you want to become a successful in your life now, so challenges will define you, will shape you. So this is very important thing. Or you can say I'm seeking for an opportunity for skill enhancement and knowledge expansion. This is very important. If you are working in a very little project now, so you can't learn lots of things, but if you work with a big project, so you will learn a lot of things. There are many features. Then next point, you can say desire for career advancement and progression. Also you can say I want to work with more complex project and technology. Yes, this is a reason you can say for a professional growth. So guys, second module is company culture and environment. Guys, sometimes what happen now, you are looking for a good company which is a good culture, good environment. So you want to say something like that. You can't say last company is boring, that's why I want to join your company. No guys, this is not the way. You need to choose a proper words to explain that things. Like you can say, sir, I am looking for a more dynamic and innovative work environment. Also you can say, sir, I want to work with a more talented and experienced team. See, this is very important because sometimes what happen na, in your team, when you work in your company na, you are a good developer but your team leader just have the functional knowledge, he don't have any technical knowledge. Okay guys, and this is very frustrating thing because if you have any doubt, so where you will ask, that kind of team leader are just pressurize you, just do it and complete the task. He don't know about the J of the Java. Okay, so that time it is very hectic. But your team size is very experienced, like a 10-year experience, 12-year experience, 7 or 8-year experience. So you know that team size, that team will force you to make a successful. Okay, so this is very, and that kind of person, if he shout on you to complete the task, so that is okay. But some brainless person is shout on you, just complete it. So this is, ego hurting things. So it is a good thing also, you can say, and a good word you can say, like I want to work with a more talented and experienced team. Also you can say I want to become a part of that company which is based on the strong value, strong ethics, and which have the big dream, big goal, like that. So this is the things you can include in that part. So guys, next module is a technology and tool. It means if you are resign your last company just due to this reason which is related to the technology and tool. So how to give the answer, how to give the that proper meaningful reason. So you can say, sir, I am interested in working with cutting edge technology. Also, I'm looking for an opportunity which is work on the cloud based application. Yes, this is also very important thing. Or you can say I'm looking for opportunity to work in a banking domain project, like that you can say. So guys, next module is personal reason. Sometimes what happen na, a company is good, project also very good, and technology also very excellent, but problem in you, like you have some personal issue, that's why you need to leave to that company. So how to say that things? Also, you know what? Sometimes you work in a very big company like Amazon, Flipkart, and you can't say company bad. And so that time in next interview or in next company, you need to tell like, I have this kind of the issue. That's why I leave the company. Okay. First is you can say, sir, due to relocation of the family, means initially I was living in the Hyderabad, but I am relocated to the Mumbai. That's why I'm looking for a job in a Maharashtra or Mumbai, you can say. Then second is you can say, sir, I'm looking for a opportunity which have the better compensation and benefit. Guys, see, if you are a fresher or 1, 2, 3, 4 year of experience, then don't use it. Okay, don't tell like I'm looking for opportunity for a better compensation and benefit. If you are 8 year, 10 year, or 12 year kind of, you are a proper developer, full, like from developing point of view to the deployment point of view, like you are a architecturer, very big developer, okay, like a management level. So that time you can use it, sir, this is my I want compensation and I have that skill set. But if you are 1, 2, 3, don't use it, otherwise interviewer will not select you at that time only. He told you please go. Also you can say I want desire for flexible and remote work option. See guys, sometimes what happen na, not every person, but there are some health issue of the father, your mother. That time you want the work from home only. Okay, so that time you can say to the recruiter. So guys, this is a personal reason you can say to the recruiter, and I hope you understand this. So guys, last and important module is this specific of last company. Sometimes what happen na, everything is okay, but your company is very toxic environment, abusive environment, or you want to leave that company. That's it. It is you don't like employee, the face of employee you don't like. Okay, manager also is like shouting again and again, torturing you. So that kind you just want to leave that company and just join to other company. Okay, which is better that him. So that time what happened now? You can't say last company is boring, shouting, abusing. No, no, no. You need to use a proper word for that. You can say, in my last company there is limited opportunity for growth and advancement. Also you can say lack of challenges and responsibility. Also you can say project development is completed, my company just put me on the support developer, that I don't want to work on it. Also you can say unsatisfied work culture and environment, instability in my last company, so this is very risky of my job. So this is the reason you can say. I hope you understand this video. Please like and share.